Fun fact, this is the true fire tetrahedron. Because in order to burn, fire needs an oxidizing agent, typically oxygen, a reducing agent, typically the fuel, and activation energy, typically the heat. But it also requires a chain chemical reaction to keep combustion going. For a long time, chain chemical reaction was not part of the fire tetrahedron. That's why we had the fire triangle. So what is this chain chemical reaction anyways? You see, fire has what we call a lot of free radicals floating around inside of it. Free radicals are simply atoms or molecules with an extra unpaired electron, which makes the atom or molecule very reactive. Within the flames of fire, you've got a lot of these little free radicals floating around, bouncing around into each other and reacting, keeping the combustion process going. So if you hear about fire extinguishers attacking the chemical reaction part of the fire tetrahedron, that is what they're doing. They are stopping all these free radicals from bouncing around into each other. To do this, lots of effective fire extinguishing agents will produce some of their own free radicals to interact with the fire's free radicals. This is actually why fire extinguishing agents such as Halon 1211 is so effective fighting fire, because they produce a lot of their own free radicals, especially from the halogen section, or group 17 of the periodic table of elements. So put simply, all types of fire are a chemical reaction, but in order to stop the chain chemical reaction as part of the fire tetrahedron, you want to attack the free radicals floating around within the flames.